Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the beating hearts of machines' engines. From cars to planes, ships to motorcycles, we'll break down how these mechanical marvels work. Ever wondered what makes a Porsche engine unique, or how a ship engine functions? We've got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's start with a classic, the V8 engine. Known for its power and iconic rumble, you'll find it in muscle cars and pickup trucks. The V in V8 refers to the V-shaped cylinder arrangement, allowing for a compact design. Inside the cylinders, controlled explosions push pistons down, rotating the crankshaft and powering the wheels. V8s are known for their high torque, perfect for moving heavy loads with serious oomph. Now let's talk about the flat engine, or boxer engine, Porsche's specialty. The cylinders lie flat and punch outwards, giving the engine a lower center of gravity for better handling and stability. This layout allows for a smoother, more balanced engine with less vibration. That's why Porsches excel in cornering and have that distinct exhaust note. Inline engines are everywhere. The cylinders are arranged in a straight line. Inline 4s are common in everyday cars for their fuel efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Inline 6s offer smooth operation and higher power, often found in luxury cars. Smaller inline 3s are making a comeback in compact cars and hybrids. Let's talk about turbofan engines that power airplanes. They use a giant fan to suck in air, compress it, mix it with fuel, and create a powerful combustion that propels the plane. A portion of the air bypasses the combustion chamber, providing extra thrust and fuel efficiency. It's impressive engineering. Entering the realm of supersonic speed with ramjets and scramjets. These engines rely on the vehicle's speed to compress incoming air, eliminating the need for a heavy compressor. Ramjets slow down supersonic air to subsonic speeds before combustion. Scramjets allow for supersonic combustion, burning the air-fuel mixture faster than the speed of sound. Ever seen fighter jets shooting flames? That's the power of afterburners. An afterburner injects fuel into the exhaust stream, igniting it for extra thrust. This creates a significant speed boost but guzzles fuel. Afterburners are used for short bursts during takeoff, combat, or speed records. Let's dive into marine engines, starting with massive diesel engines. These behemoths power gigantic cargo ships and tankers with incredible efficiency. Two-stroke diesel engines complete a power cycle with every crankshaft revolution, generating immense torque. Massive pistons propel these ships through the water. Modern warships often rely on gas turbine engines for speed and agility. These engines use continuous combustion to generate power, offering a high power-to-weight ratio. They provide quick startup times and smooth operation, ideal for naval vessels. Let's talk about the Wankel rotary engine, made famous by the Mazda RX-7. It uses a triangular rotor inside an oval chamber, creating expanding and contracting volumes. Known for smooth operation and high power output, Wankel engines have a unique exhaust note. Free piston engines are experimental and ditch the traditional crankshaft. They use pistons that move freely within a cylinder, generating pressure for electricity or hydraulic power. These engines offer high efficiency and low emissions, making them a hot topic in automotive research. Axial engines have pistons that move parallel to the axis of rotation. This design allows for a flatter engine profile, ideal for space-limited applications like hybrid or electric vehicles. Axial engines offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Motorcycle enthusiasts, let's talk about V-twin engines, iconic in cruisers like Harley-Davidson's. The V-twin configuration provides a balance of power and torque, creating that signature exhaust note. In motorcycles, the choice often comes down to inline 4 or parallel twin engines. Inline 4s are high-revving and smooth, found in sport bikes. Parallel twins prioritize low-end torque and a raw riding experience, popular in naked and retro-style bikes. The best choice depends on your riding style. Plug-in hybrid engines combine a combustion engine with an electric motor and battery pack. You can drive on electric power alone, reducing emissions and saving fuel. When the battery runs low, the combustion engine kicks in, extending your range. Range extender engines are small generators that recharge the vehicle's battery. They don't directly power the wheels but act as a backup power source. This technology offers a solution to range anxiety for electric vehicle users. We've explored the fascinating world of engines from V8s to free piston and axial engines. Which engine type blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep those engines revving.